Hello viewers, today we are here to explore the fascinating world of research field in India. Let's ignite our collective brilliance. We are Team Brainiacs with passionate members.
So you might be thinking why we chose this name for our team Brainiac. The term Brainiac is derived from two words, brain and maniac.
As you know, our topic is research field in India is not very advanced.
Yet many students pursue research field courses and are very smart.
Due to the lack in research field, the students pursuing the corporate job instead of research job.
We as a team are eager to know why people are really not that interested in research-related jobs.
Even though they pursue research-based courses, our eagerness defines maniacs in brainiacs.
We were free to choose any topic for our dissertation project, but we have chosen this because this century is the mother of India for advancement in terms of technology. So, we as a young learners in the first year of engineering in BBA UIT undertook a survey to generate an accurate data of what the academic fraternity in higher education thinks. That is the opinion of scholars and faculty across all subject disciplines.
A research to understand the possible advancement or the lack of desired growth in research field in university. Let's explore if the research endeavors in academic institutions are in developed category or still in developing, because very few institutions in our country are ranked as the best institute for advanced research.
The thing that motivated us to choose this topic over any other topic is when we did a survey in our university, then most of the respondents said that they are interested in research field, but they didn't actually go into that field. And if you talk about the reason behind that, then they say that there is lack of support, motivation, time constraints, expectation to be in financially enriched group, and app resources were the major obstacles pointed out. However, it's all about the passion and self-interest to create or invent. Let's take a look on our survey that we conducted in our university in this context, and the fact will speak for themselves.
India's research culture is vibrant and diverse, reflecting a blend of traditional knowledge and modern scientific approaches. India's research landscape encompasses various fields like information technology, biotechnology, healthcare, energy, and space. These fields highlight India's approach of addressing global challenges and fostering scientific advancement. So, are you interested in the research field?
A compelling question to ask here is, are institutions getting enough funds for research, including BBAU? India is a nation that has always been riddled with educational problems. There are a lot of reasons why India is lagging behind in educational pursuits. Nation seeks to see many changes now in education with the guidelines mapped by the National Education Policy 2020 that is set to bring major reforms including research.
The research culture in India has been significant expansion in almost all disciplines of learning. The advancement in various fields and increased funding for research innovating is behind that struggle in the research ecosystem. Almost all the higher education institutes proactive, foster, empower talented research, but challenges like funding contraction and interdisciplinary collaboration need immediately focus.
Led to the report, the team Brainiacs undertook the mission of collecting information through the survey in University BBAU. On 9 April, we went to the various departments, DRM, EVS, Horticulture, Zoology and Central Library to contact scholars and faculty to initiate their idea on the given questionnaires that we had profiled. We met total number of 65 people and the age group of those respondents was 20 to 28. The academic qualification is ranged between UG, PG and PhD.
Let's proceed to final details and scan the overall analysis of the question. Are you interested in research? About 67.17% respondents agree with yes, but they don't know in which field they will go on research. And 37.13% are agree with no, and remaining 1.53% did not have any idea.
I am here for the overall analysis of the pie chart about the question that is, are the institution getting enough fund for the research purpose, including BBU? 35.38% responded agreed, but 46.23 people answered negatively, whereas 18.46 people does not have any idea about it.
The third question that we wanted asked was, it is the research ecosystem well developed in our country? We found that 50% believe that indeed it is, but 27% population disagreed and 23% didn't have any idea.
Survey we found some major key findings, and one of them was, although people in India pursue research-based courses, yet they go for cooperative jobs rather than going for research.
After we interviewed several respondents, we got to know that 23% of our students among our respondents are not even aware of the research and development that is happening in India. Although our government has took several steps to increase the potential of many researchers. Most of the students are also not aware of the initiatives like increase in the budget for research and development, which is now double of the amount compared to what it was before.
So what is the way forward in research development in India to become a pioneer in this field? Some of the recommendations are increase funding, encourage collaboration, and promote science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM education, and support for startup, infrastructure development, international collaboration, promote interdisciplinary research, and increase entrepreneurship. These initiatives will definitely boost the research culture in India.
Another important recommendation is to show how research affects everyday life, solve real problems, and drive innovation. People often engage more with research when they know its practical benefits and relevance to their own life. Introducing research methods and projects in schools from young age and encouraging the students to do simple research projects that foster their curiosity and analytical thinking.
To develop research field, we have to offer research opportunities in early age in school, which encourage students towards research. Institutes should host events, workshops, and lectures in which researchers share their work with public, which would help to increase interest of people in research field. Celebrate research achievements within communities and public, which will attract people interest in research field.
Now explore a selection of insights from our survey.